Hello my beauties, today's video will be about the headband wig, the one that you can throw on and just go, right? So I know you ladies are like thrilled and excited because I know sometimes it's a hassle trying to sit down and actually put on a wig sometimes, you know, when you just want to get up and go, grab your headband wig. You definitely will see more ways to wear this hairstyle and how to put it on and things of that nature in this video. So let's get into this video, guys. So that comes in this pretty bag right here, AliBeauty hair, pretty pink bag, and it comes with goodies. So let's get into that. You know, ladies, we love us some goodies. I do. Okay, so it comes with this AliBeauty card that comes with the company and lets you know how to get in touch with them and the goodies that they pack. Little gifts. Awesome, right? And they sent me some makeup sponges. Makeup sponges, and it comes with this other card just on to how to take care of the hair. And one last thing that they give you is some lashes that's in here. I have worn these and I've worn it in the second part of this video. I just wanted to show it in here so you guys can see. I will have a better picture of it and it'll probably pop up in the screen as well. So I have on different lashes. I had them on in the second part so you'll see how pretty they look. Last but not least, this beautiful hair. So let's check it out. So I got it on it's still in the net here. I've worn it and it's wet right now a couple of times, and yeah, let's get into it, right? I love this hair. This hair is gorgeous. Okay, guys, look at the curl pattern. I wet it up so you guys can see how it looks like, just wet. I don't put anything on here but water, so just put water, you will get this. Okay, this beautiful curl pattern. As you can see here in the side, it's almost constructed just like a regular wig. It's just a headband on top of it. So two combs, the top and the comb at the bottom here, if I can find it, right there. And it comes with these strips for the band, and all you do is take it off and put it back on and put it around your head. Simple. Okay, guys, simple stuff here. That's what I was saying in the beginning. You can definitely just put this on and go. Alright, so let's put this beauty on. Like I was saying, just put water on it, guys. It's so pretty. My mom was just telling me how she loves this wig, and the curls is so pretty. And she asked me if I put anything on it. I'm like, no, I just put water on it. That's all. And it curls right up, guys. Like, look at them curls. It's so pretty. But let's get into this. So you can put it on all the way up if you want, and then you can just put it back here in the back. Just pull the hair up. I just don't like the hair snagging on it, so I just pull the hair up and just make sure it goes all the way around, and you just snag it on to it, and then boom, you can do it just like that. Put that behind your ear, and you can bring it back if you got like your edges and stuff out, like most girls do. They have their edges out, which you probably see in the later part of the video. As you can see, you just put it in the back, and then boom. I'll show you the back of it really quick, and then I'll put on the headband for you. So you just clip it on like that. Simple as that. You can either push this back some and then like clip in your clips, but I don't like the clips in, so I don't put them on, because once I put the headband on, it's gonna be like tight enough on my head. And as you can see, you can wear it like this, and it looks really natural like this. So the headband I have to, okay, so later in the video I also will demonstrate different headbands of that I have, so you can definitely stay tuned for the rest of that video, the rest of this video, and you'll see different hairstyles. Alright, so now it's on, ladies. As you can see, it's on. You can just leave it like this, and just rack it out. You don't need any products really to make this hair pop. Like, it's good this way, unless you want it bigger. You will see later on in the video how I fluff it out a little bit and actually bring it up towards my face. So yeah, you will get all of those different hairstyles that you can do with this headband wig. Just wet it. It's very soft, very soft. It's everything. Just give you the details so I can be accurate on here. So the company is called AliBeauty Hair from Amazon. This is a headband wig, 150 density Brazilian water wave. Of course, no lace front. Glueless. It's a 16-inch. Let's see. This can be dyed and bleached. Comfortable and soft and breathable, which is very true. It's very breathable. I can, like, it feels like it's not on my head. It feels real and natural, like it's my hair. That is the gist of the unboxing of this hair. I actually had the hair, I purchased this hair on November 9th, so I'm in love with this hair, you know. I will come back with an update just to let you guys know how well it's keeping up. But like I said, I've bought from this vendor before, and their curly hair is bomb. So ladies, get you one, okay? Okay ladies, so I wanted to do a really quick video of me doing like a couple of hairstyles really quick. So one ponytail here. I'll do the half up and half down like I did on my video. Okay. That's that. You can bring this back up. Make sure it's covered. There's your half up, half down. Okay, so the second one that I did was, I think, well, I didn't do this one, so you can actually do this one, ladies. Do your little short, a little ponytail, a little sleek ponytail. Making sure everything is covered. So yeah, you can do that. Okay, so the next one that I will be doing is a ponytail all the way up. Alright, so we'll do that. I'll make sure everything is pulled underneath and covered with the hair tie. So you can do that. And I think the last one was a bun. Yeah, you could just do one like that. Put it in, and then boom. Simple, very easy. Ladies, go get you a headband wig if you ain't got it yet. Invest. I also was saying I bought other headbands as well, so I'll show you those when I So as I was saying, guys, you could wear the headband like this if you want. That is completely up to you. But as you notice, everybody is actually getting headbands either like this or these three that I have here. I will definitely let you ladies know where I got them from, or you can get them from your local beauty supply store. But I got these from Amazon. I have, let's see, more colors. So get you some for your headband wig. I'll put these on really quick because like I was saying in my video, you can dress it up or dress it down however you want. So you can, okay, and this is the multicolored one. This is the second one. Silver one. And ooh, I like this one. I'm a gold girl. Like you see, a gold one. But silver is pretty. So yeah, you can do that, and then you can probably do your hairstyles